What's up, guys? It's Ian Arkin. We're going up. Dito lang. Ayoko guys na nanalo sila guys. Patis ka guys ang nanalo sa Grammy guys. The K-pop Demon Hunters. Buti Wildflower by Billie Eilish. Sabi nila mali daw pero... pero kasi maganda ang Wildflower. Buti 10. Buti hindi nanalo ng K-pop Demon Hunter songs. Buti nanalo 10 sa Grammy, Wildflower by Billie Eilish. I see her in the back of my mind. You died. Joke lang. Oo nga. Live ko kay apo ko. Okay guys, bye.